Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Greg's Restorations. We are here today with a 1996 Toyota pickup. This has been a little mini restoration that we've been working on for the past, say, 6 months to a year. We did not do a full restoration on this. We do not specialize in building and selling vehicles, but we were able to buy this truck for the right price and fix it up. So this truck will be coming up for sale shortly. One of the cool things about this truck is it's got a nice paint job on it. It's a burnt orange metallic paint, base coat, clear coat. It's also got a custom graphics on the side of it. It's got a 2-inch suspension lift. It's got a nice set of TRD 17-inch wheels. It's got some aggressive all-terrain tires, H4 conversion headlights. It's a really nice truck. It's a really nice driver. Be a really cool truck for somebody to take to high school. Be like their first car driving it. It's not a full frame off restoration, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. It's got leather interior. It's got a really nice touchscreen sound system in it. Some very nice speakers. The truck does have just over 233,000 miles on it. Runs and drives down the road great. Underside of the truck is beautiful. AC blows really nice and cold. It's got tinted windows on it. It's got a really nice black spray and bed liner in the bed. It's actually, this bed is custom for this truck. This came off the next generation Tacomas. Truck's great. Drives down the road awesome. Be a great truck for somebody to own. Kind of a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get a really nice truck from us. One of my favorite things about this truck is it's just a little custom 4x4. It's, you know, we do a lot of 80s Toyota pickups, but this 96 Tacoma it's just different, you know what I mean? It's just cool. It's got a really cool paint on it. But this truck has been gone through with everything. It just kind of looks like a mini Raptor. It's just got a little wide body on it. It's got some custom fender flares on it. It's just a cool truck. Single cab trucks are very limited now. Not a lot of people have them just because of the cab space. But it's definitely something cool that somebody could really enjoy. So it's going to be listed on our website for sale. Our website's gregstoyotarestorations.com. Check us out.